The Amazon rainforest. What comes into your mind when someone mentions the Amazon rainforest? As for me, I think of the largest rainforest on earth with the biggest and most famous biodiversity of both plants and animals. The Amazon rainforest is found in the South America and it covers an area of approximately 6.9 million square kilometers. However, what is happening to the forest at the moment is quite overwhelming. This is due to the effects of deforestation. This is brought by the constant need for more land due to the increasing human population. Scientists have warned that with the current rate of deforestation at the Amazon rainforest, we are approaching a critical point of no return and could cause a severe irreversible consequences to human health. To demonstrate this, a research carried out by the Brazilian National Institute for Space indicate that more than 3,980 square kilometers of Amazon were cleared in the first 6 months of 2022. This figure is the highest in at least 6 years. According to the book written on June 2006 by Cleric D.G. and Rickety A.J., it shows that deforestation comes with other worrying effects to human health. These include spread of life-threatening diseases such as malaria and hemorrhagic fever. Brazilian health officials have also claimed to have already seen warning of the growing problem due to deforestation on the Amazon rainforest. This is due to the emergence of diseases such as Brazilian hemorrhagic fever and the rodent carried and the viruses. Deforestation lead to a devastating health effects and measures should be implemented to protect our forests for the future generation.